Alright, I'm going to make a video on showing how to do Gaussian elimination. I call it Gaussian elimination simply because it was named after Friedrich Gauss, who came up with the elimination method. You may hear it both ways, Gaussian elimination or the elimination method. They're the same thing. Alright, so what we want to do is create a coefficient in front of a variable that is going to be the same number but opposite sign. So I'm going to look at each of the coefficients of the variables and see if there's an easy number I can multiply by to get the same number but opposite sign. So here I have a 3x and an 18x. Well, I can multiply 3 by negative 6 and get negative 18, which would be the same number, opposite sign. So that's probably going to be what I use. But let's look here at negative 4y and negative 5y. Well, this was not as easy to do, but you can do it. You can actually multiply let's see, negative 4/5 by a positive 5/4, and I would get the same number opposite sign. But I don't want to mess with fractions, so I'm going to do the negative 6. So what I'm going to do is I want to multiply my first equation by negative 6. So my equation becomes negative 18x. Now we have to multiply it all the way through. Let's see, negative 4 and negative 6 gives me a positive 24y. And then negative 6 and 8 gives me a negative 48. I'm going to rewrite the second equation of 18x minus 5y equals 10. Now I'm just going to add these equations together. That's part of the elimination. Well, negative 18x plus 18x is 0, so I don't need to write that. 24y plus a negative 5y gives me 19y. And then negative 48 plus 10 gives me a negative 38. Now, from here, I can just simply solve for y by dividing both sides by 19, and I get y equals negative 2. Now I know what the y value is. Now I just need to find the x value. So I can use either one of these first two original equations to find the x value. And what we're going to do is we're going to substitute my y value in. So I have 3x. I'm going to use my very first equation. 3x minus 4 times a negative 2 equals 8. From here, we just solve for x. We have 3x plus 8 equals 8. Subtract 8 from both sides, and I have 3x equals 0. And then, of course, divide by 3, and I have x equals 0. So my actual solution here, my x value is 0, my y value is negative 2. And that's how you do the elimination method. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.